Hello friend, welcome back. In this video, I will take you deep dive into what exactly is Laravel and the reason why Laravel remaining the leading PHP framework even today. So let's discuss about Laravel features. First of all, its MVC support and object-oriented approach. The first and best advantage of using Laravel framework is that it flows. Model, view and controller based architectural pattern, and it has an expensive beautiful syntax which makes it object oriented. Then built-in authentication and authorization. Laravel provides an out-of-the-box configuration for the authentication and authorization system. That is, in just a few artisan commands, your application will be equipped with secure authentication and authorization. Then packaging system. A packaging system deals with the multiple support software or libraries that help the web applications to automate the process. Laravel uses Composer as a dependency manager which manages all the information needs to multiple packages. Packages are a great way to accelerate development is to provide the functionality we need out of the box. Then multiple file system. Laravel also has a built-in support for the cloud storage systems such as Amazon S3 and Rackspace cloud storage and of course for local storage. It's amazingly simple to switch between this storage option as the API remains the same for each system. One can use these three systems into one application to serve files from multiple locations like in a distributed environment. Then Artisan Console. Laravel has its own command line interface called as Artisan. Common uses of Artisan include publishing package asset, managing database migration, shading and generating boilerplate code for new controller, models, and migration. These features frees to development the creating proper code escalatons. Then Eloquent ORM. The Eloquent ORM is Laravel built-in ORM implementation. Laravel has the best object relation mapper as compared to the other framework out there. This object-oriented mapper allows you to interact with your database object and database relationship using expressive syntax. Then template engine. Laravel comes with the inbuilt template engine known as the Blade template engine. Blade templating engine combines one or more templates with a data model to produce resulting views. Doing that by transferring the templates into cache PHP code for improved performance. And then testing. When it comes to the testing of the application, Laravel by default providing the unit test for the application, which itself contains tests that detect and prevent regression in the framework. Integration of PHP units such as testing framework is very easy in Laravel application. They have so many features in Laravel. I have highlighted some of the features with you. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.